So I have chosen for you two expressions for us to calculate together. Starting with number 1, according to PEMDAS, I should do parentheses first. Here I have two kinds of grouping symbols, parentheses and brackets, so I'm going to go to the innermost first. Again, bear with me as I'm using some kind of new equipment here, new technology. So this is supposed to be a 2. There we go. So I'm going to do the parentheses, which is an addition, and 4 plus 1 is 5. And that's the only thing I'm going to do for step 1. Moving on with the second step, I still have grouping symbols. So let me copy the 2, the factor outside, and now I can make the bracket just a parentheses. And inside I have a subtraction and exponent, so exponent is before subtraction. So 5 to the second is 25. Step 3, still with parentheses, copy my factor 2, and that subtraction would give me 5. Product 2 times 5 is 10, and there's my final answer. Going to expression number 2. Grouping symbols, I have parentheses, so let me start with this parentheses. A divided by 2 is 4. Let's go to the innermost parentheses first and do the subtraction. 15 minus 7 is 8. And that's all I'm going to do right now. Just want to do it one step at a time. I still have grouping symbols, so I'm moving on. In the brackets, I have addition and exponent. So the exponent should be done first, and I can put a parenthesis now instead of brackets. 3 times 3 is 9. Now this is the time for me to get rid of the parentheses. So I'll do that right now. The addition gives me 8 plus 9 is 17. And at this point I have an exponent and a subtraction. Exponent is before subtraction. 4 times 4 is 16. Finally, my subtraction, 16 minus 17, be careful, it is negative 1. And there you have it.